Chanakya says, Krishnamahi Shastramidam Indriyajaya. That means the whole of Arthashastra means control of the senses. No control, no prosperity. I repeat, no control, no prosperity. You will say, how is that possible? We see lots and lots of people who have no control over their senses, but they make lots of money. Chanakya is speaking about not 1 year, 2 years, 5 years, but he says the long term. And not just you, but your family. Not just your present generation, but even generations after that. So only those who have conquest over senses can bring prosperity in the long term. Okay, let's go to the next slide and see the last 2 points before I hand over to my co-facilitator, Praful. So if I were to summarize everything that I covered so far, I'm going to give you a wonderful mnemonic, a memory aid to remember it with. Okay? It's called ACE. A, C, and E. A is about alignment of our own faculty. Often our minds, bodies, rest of our inner self are all in different places. And hence performance itself gets hampered. So the first step is alignment through yoga. The second is circulation. You ask, what is circulation? Praful will speak about it because the journey from Raja to Swami is circulating all that you got. Because Chanakya says anything that is kept hoarded with oneself is the first step to anartha, disaster. Everything needs to be circulated. You get knowledge, circulate. You get credit, circulate. You get fame, circulate. You get wealth, circulate. So see. And finally comes expansion, which are expanding all that you accomplished so far to the practices of Arthashastra. The first part, yoga, is inner abundance. The second part is about the connection between yoga and Arthashastra. And the last part is expansion through practices of the Arthashastra. Okay, and Arthashastra, remember, I've given you only 2 points today. I'm just going to refresh. The first point is purpose, which is about Praja ke sukh mein hi Raja ka sukh hai. The greater good of all people for the long term. And I spoke about creation, consolidation, expansion, and succession. Next, please. That's 2 points of Arthashastra. Next, please. So I'm going to now, with this, invite one with whom we worked very closely. I and Praful go back now several years. But for the last 6 years, we started an experiment which he began by himself long back. But now you will hear his story about how he utilized all of this to manifest prosperity.